Hi friends, in our previous videos we have covered all the logics based on which the number series questions can be asked, and then in this number series part 4 video we will practice some of the questions so that we may get perfect in this number series, and we take very less time in our exams to answer these questions. Okay, in these practice questions, for each question I'll give you a time of 15 seconds so that you may try the answer first, and then later I'll tell you the logic in these questions, and then I will reveal the answer. Okay, and now we'll start with our first question. Okay friends, once try this question. Okay friends, now here you can clearly see this is not any additional logic or any subtraction logic, because the numbers have been increasing in the series with a multiplication but not with any addition. Okay, now we should know which multiplication logic they have taken. For 19 to become 38, it should be multiplied with 2. Here we should find the missing number. And for 228 to become 684, it should be multiplied with 3. Isn't that? And for 1368, 684 should be multiplied with 2. So friends, here we got the logic. They are alternatively multiplying the numbers with 2 and 3. Okay, the logic they have taken here is alternate, that is with multiplication of 2 and with multiplication of 3. Okay, to get our answer, as it has already been multiplied with 2, to get our answer we should multiply 38 with 3. Then our answer will be 114. Okay, I hope you have understood this is a very simple logic. In the alternate series, they will be multiplying the previous number with 2 or 3 alternatively. Okay, now we'll move to our next question. See friends, once also try this. Okay friends, the logic here is very simple. You may take here the addition series, but if we observe the last 3 numbers, the difference is very much more, so we can't go for addition series. Then what should we take? We should go for multiplication series. Okay, the multiplication mainly here, the thing we can take is 4 into 3, it becomes 15, and then 15 into 3, it becomes 45. But they are gone continuously adding the number with plus 3. Okay, they are multiplying the number with 3 and they are adding the number 3. Okay, the logic here is into 3 plus 3, nothing but into n plus n. We have discussed this model in our previous questions. Okay, I hope you have got this answer already. They are just multiplying the number with 3 and then adding the number 3. Okay, to get our answer we should multiply 444 with 3 and then we should add number 3. Okay, then our answer will be 1335. Okay, I hope you have got the answer here very quickly. If you have known the logic, it will be a very easy question. Okay friends, now we will move to our next question, and also try this question. Okay friends, once observe here, the difference between these two numbers is also large. It is multiplication, and here also we may take multiplication, and here also we may go for multiplication. Okay, if you observe here clearly, for 7 to become 15, it should be multiplied with 2 and we should add 1. And for 15 to become 33, we should multiply it with 2 and then we should add 3. And for 33 to become 71, we should multiply it with 2 and then we should add 5. And for 71 to become 149, we should multiply it with 2 and then we should add plus 7. Okay, if you observe here clearly, this is very simple. They are multiplying with the same number and but they are adding the odd numbers. Okay, 1 3 5 7. So in order to get our answer, we should multiply the previous number with 2 and then we should add plus 9. Okay, what is our previous number? It is 149. So we should multiply 149 with 2 and to the resultant we should add 9. Okay, then our answer will be 307. Okay, in this question our answer is 307. Okay friends, I have discussed this model also in our previous videos. Okay, I think most of you are perfect in these models. And now we'll move to our next question. See friends, this is also a very simple model. It is 60, 30, 10, 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. I have discussed this model also. Once try this, whether you can get the answer or not. Okay friends, now I'll discuss this model. For 60 to become 30, it should be divided or it should be multiplied with half, isn't that? And for 30 to become 10, it should be multiplied with 1 by 3. And for 10 to become 5 by 2, it should be multiplied with 1 by 4, isn't that? And for 5 by 2 to become 1 by 2, it should be multiplied with 1 by 5. Didn't you observe this? They are just multiplying the numbers with 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. And to get our answer, next we should multiply the number with 1 by 6. Okay, if we multiply the number 1 by 2 with 1 by 6, what will be our answer? It is very simple. It will be 1 by 12. Okay, this is our answer in this question. This is also a very simple logic. Okay, I have discussed this model also in our previous videos. Okay, they will be just multiplying with the increasing fractions, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 or 1 by 5. Okay, they will be increasing the denominator. This is also a very simple model. And now we'll move to our next question. Okay friends, once try this model also. Okay friends, once observe here. To this they have added 1 and for 11 to become 26, it should be multiplied with 2 and they have added plus 4. Okay, 11 to is 22 plus 4, it becomes 26. And for 26 to become 87, it should be multiplied with 3 and then they should add plus 9. I hope by this time you understood the logic. This is very a simple logic, that into n plus n square, which we have discussed in our previous videos. Okay, this is a very simple logic. Into 1 plus 1 and then into 2 plus 4 and then into 3 plus 9 and then here they have multiplied with 4 and then they have added 16. So to get our answer, we should multiply 364 with 5 and then we should add the square of 5, that is 25. Okay, then what will be our answer? Our answer is 1845. Okay, I hope you understood this. The answer to this question is 1845. Okay friends, this is a very simple logic, nothing but into n plus n square. Okay, now we will move to our next question. This is a very simple question friends. Most of you may get the answer. Okay friends, once observe here, the difference is not much more. So we can go for whether they have taken addition logic. Now once we observe this clearly to get the clarity, and then the difference between 23 and 32 is 9 and the difference between 50 and 32 is 18 and the difference between 77 and 50 is 27. The difference between 113 and 77 is 36. And the difference between 158 and 130 is 45. Now if you observe the difference here, they are just the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. And to get our answer, the difference between our answer and 158 should be 9 6 are 54. The next number we should take. Okay, if we add 54 to 158, then our answer will be 212. Okay, this is a very simple logic, nothing but they will be the taking the multiples of 9. Okay, okay friends, this is a very simple question. Now we will move to our next question. See friends, this is also a very simple question, right? Okay friends, observe here, the difference is not much more. Okay, by observing the question, the number series, it has been increasing and decreasing series, so that we can observe it is an alternate series, isn't that? I have discussed this type of questions in our previous videos also. This is an alternate series. Okay, the difference between this is -1, and here they have added +4, and here they have subtracted -27, and here they have added +16. Okay, what may be the logic here? This is 2 square, and this is 3 cube, and this is 4 square, then it must be 1 cube. Okay, here they have taken the alternate series of n cube and n square, isn't that? Okay, 1 cube, 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square. Then to get our answer, we should subtract the number by 5 square. Okay, sorry 5 cube. Here they have already given square, so that we should subtract the number which is 5 cube. 5 cube value is 125. Okay, to get our answer from 202, we should subtract the number 125. Okay, from 202, if we subtract 125, then our answer will be 77. Okay, in this question our answer is 77. Okay, this is an example of alternate series. Okay friends, okay, now we'll move to our next question. This is also a very simple question. Try this. Okay friends, this is also an alternative question. The difference is -1, here +4, and coming to here -9, and the difference between these two is +16. You can observe here, it is just the square of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, but they have taken alternatively the addition and the subtraction of the numbers. So to get our answer, next we should subtract 5 square, nothing but 25. Okay, if we subtract 25 from 42, then our answer will be 17, isn't that? I hope you understood this question also. In this question our answer is 17. Okay, it is nothing but the alternative series, alternate series of addition or subtraction of n square, where n is a natural number. Okay friends, and now we'll move to our next question. This is very simple. Okay friends, once observe here clearly. For 7 to become 15, it should be multiplied with 2. What is the difference? It is 1. They have added 1. For here they have multiplied with 2 and then they have added 3. And for 33 to become 71, they have multiplied with 2 and they have added plus 5. And for 149, they have multiplied with 2 and they have added 9. Isn't that the same model I have discussed earlier? Nothing but they will be multiplying with the same number, but they will be adding the different numbers in the increasing series, like 1359. To get our answer, 57, to get our answer we should multiply 149 with 2 and then we should add 9. The answer will be very simple, that is 307. Okay, this is our answer, friends. And now we will move to our next question. This is also a very simple question. Try this. See friends, in this question, though the difference initially is very less, but the difference here has become much more. Isn't that? So that we can't go for addition series. Okay, now we should try whether it is multiplication series. If we observe here, for 200 to become 805, it should be multiplied with 4. Isn't that? It should be multiplied with 4 and they have added plus 5. If we observe here also clearly, for 65 to become 200, it should be multiplied with 3 and they have added plus 5. Okay, for 30 also to become 65, they should be multiplying with 2 and they should be adding plus 5. So that we can get the clarity here, they are multiplying with the same, they are multiplying with 1 2 3 4 5 and they are adding the same number, that is plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that to get our answer we should multiply 805 with 5 and then we should add plus 5. Okay, initially they have multiplied with 1 and they have added plus 5 and then next plus 5 and then into 3 plus 5 then into 4 plus 5. So next we should go for into 5 plus 5. If we have taken this logic, then our answer will be 4030. Okay friends, this is also a simple logic. Now we will move to our next question. Try this, friends. Okay friends, observe here, the difference between the two numbers is not much more throughout the series, so we can go for addition series. Okay, they may have taken additional logic. The difference between 27 and 38 is 11 and the difference between 38 and 71 is 33 and the difference between 71 and 126 is 55. The difference between 203 and 126 is 77. If you observe here clearly, they are taking the multiples of 11 but not the continuous series, but they are taking in odd number multiplication. Okay, like 1 3 5 7. Next we should go for 9 multiple, 9 into 11, nothing but we should take the difference between our answer and 203 as 99. If we add 99 to 203, then our answer should become 302. Okay friends, this is, they are taking odd number multiplication of 11. Okay, I hope you have understood this clearly. In our previous question we have seen they are taking the continuous multiplications like 1 2 3 4. Okay, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, in that way. But now they have taken odd, like 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, 11 fives are 55, 11 sevens are 77. Okay friends, this is also one of the model. Now we will go for next question. This is also a very simple model. Okay friends, you can observe here that The difference between 20 and 52 is 32. The difference between 68 and 52 is 16. The difference between 68 and 76 is 12. The difference between these two is 4. If you observe here clearly, they are just halving the number. Here the difference, oh wait, here the difference between 68 and 76 is 8. Okay, if you have observed here clearly, they are just halving the number. Okay, 16 is half of 32, 8 is half of 16, and 4 is half of 8. And to get our answer, there should be a difference of half of 4, nothing but 2. If we add 80 to 2, then our answer will become 82. Okay, this is two step. We should take the difference between the two numbers, and we should see whether they have multiplied the number with 1 or half. Okay, in this model they have halved the number. Okay, now we will move to our next question. This is also a very simple model. You can get the answer. Okay friends, if we observe the number series, it is an increasing series, but not much in the case of multiplication. So we can go for addition logic. We may take here addition logic, isn't it? If we take the difference between 14 and 17, it is 3, and between 17 and 24, it is 7. Between 24 and 37, it is 13, and between 37 and 58, it is nothing but 21. Are we getting any logic in single step? We are not at all getting any logic in the single step. Then we should go for other step also. That is, the difference between 3 and 7 is 4. The difference between 7 and 13 is 6. The difference between 13 and 21 is 8. If you observe here, they are gone increasing the difference by 2. Okay, to get our next answer, the difference should be 10. If we add 21 to 10, then it should be a difference of 31, isn't that? If we add 58 with 31, then what will be our answer? Yeah, it is 89. 89 is our answer. I hope you understood this also clearly. Okay, in our second step we got the logic, but not in the case of first step. Okay, and okay friends, now we will move to our next question. Okay, by seeing the decimals, you can get the answer by observing it. Let's try to get. Okay friends, observe here. Initially the difference is much less, that is nothing but just 0.5. But coming to here, the difference has increased much more, so that we can understand it is a multiplication series with addition series, isn't it? I hope you have understood this. They have multiplied the number with one number and they have added another number. Now we observe clearly. For this, we may think they have multiplied with 1 and they have added 0.5, so that it becomes 16. And for next, it should be added with, it should be multiplied with 2 and they might have added 1, so that 16 into 2, 32, plus 1, it becomes 33. And for 100.5, 33 should be multiplied with 3 and they must have added 1.5. By this time you got the logic friends. And for 100.5 to become 104, it should be multiplied with 4 and they should be adding 2. See here, the logic is very simple. They are multiplying with natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and they are adding the number by also increasing the number by 0.5. Okay. once again observe here, they are multiplying the numbers with increasing series, and they are also adding the numbers with increasing series of 0.5. Okay, in order to get our answer, we should multiply 404 with 5, and then also we should add 2.5. Isn't that? You got the answer, I think. In order to get our answer, 404 should be multiplied with 5, and then we should add 2.5. Okay, then what will be our answer? Our answer is 2022.5. Okay, this is also one of the logic I have discussed in our previous videos. I hope you got the answer. And coming to our next question, try to solve this. This is a very easy question. I have told you earlier. Observe here. Okay, this is the logic they have taken. 13 into 2, 26, 28 into 2, 56, 58 into 116. Sorry, 58 into 2, 116. Then 118 into 2. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 236. Isn't that? This is just, if you observe the question, you can get the answer very easily. Just they are multiplying the number with 2. Okay. Now we will move to our next question. Yeah, this is also a very simple question. You need not require even 15 seconds of time. Okay, observe friends here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, you understood the question, I think. It is just alternatively they are taking 19, 17, 13, 11. Then the next one should be, is it 9? No, they are not at all taking odd numbers, but they are taking the prime numbers. So in order to get our answer, it should be 7. Okay, this is an alternate question. You should observe here. Then you will get the logic very easily. Okay, now we will move to our next question. Okay friends, this is also a very simple question, right? Okay friends, observe here. The number is increasing and decreasing, so that we can understand it is an alternate series, isn't that? So for 16 to become 8, it should be halved. For 8 to become 24, it should be multiplied with 3. And for 24 to become 12, it should be halved, isn't that? So that we got the logic here. They are alternatively multiplying the numbers with 0.5 and 3, or with 1 by 2 and then with 3. Okay, to get our answer, 18 should be multiplied with 3. So 18 3 is 54. This is very simple question. Okay friends, now we'll move to our next question. This is also a simple question. I hope many of you can get this right. Okay friends, if you observe here clearly, 17 3 is 51. Okay, then 47 3 is 141. Then 137 3 is 411. Isn't it? They are just multiplying with 3. But what is the logic between these two and these two? If you observe, they have subtracted the number by 4. Okay, 51 minus 4, it comes as 47, and 141 minus 4, it comes as 137. In order to get our answer, we should take the difference of 4. Isn't that? If we take 411 minus 4, then our answer will be 407. Okay, this is also one of the model where they can take. Okay, now we'll move to our next question. Okay friends, this is very simple question. Try it. Okay friends, if you observe here, it is 2 power 1, 9 is 3 square, 64 is 4 cube, and 625 is 5 power 4. So it should be 1 power 0, 2 power 1. They are increasing the powers also, so that in order to get our answer it should be 6 power 5. Isn't that? It is 1 power 0, 2 power 1, 3 square, 4 cube, 5 power 4, 6 power 5. Okay, what is the value of 6 power 5? It is nothing but 7776. Okay, it is 7776. Okay friends, now we'll move to our next question. This is also a simple question. Try it once. Okay friends, initially the difference is much more, but when by coming to last the difference is much less. It is just 3.2. Isn't that? The difference between these two is 16 and the difference between these two is 18. If you observe clearly, the difference between these numbers is being decreasing. Isn't that? It has been decreasing. So for 80 to become 16, it should be divided with 5. Isn't that? Or it should be multiplied with 0.2. Okay, it should be divided with 5 or it should be multiplied with 0.2. Okay, if you observe the next one also, for 16 to become 32, it should also be multiplied with 0.2. So we got it. They are taking two steps. They have taken the difference, and for this difference they are multiplying with 0.2. Okay, what is the difference at last we got here? It is nothing but 3.2. If you multiply it with 0.2, 3.2 with 0.2, then what will be our answer? It is 0.64 should be the difference between our answer and 899.2. Okay, then if we add 0.64, what will be our answer? It will be 899.84. Okay, this is our answer. I think you have understood this. I have covered most of the models in this. You will be able to answer any question in the number series. Okay, in our next video I will be making with other topic. Thank you friends. Practice much more questions.